Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Google Chrome language back to English. Click Customize and control Google Chrome. Click Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Click Language. Click Add Language. Search English United States. Click Add. Click More Options. Check Display Google Chrome in this language. Click Relaunch. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.